the dwarf seahorse.
I'm gonna call that seahorse Wilbur. I love pregnant seahorses. I don't know why.
In the seahorse world, males have babies.
Oh! Wait, they're pregnant? The boys are pregnant? That's crazy. Oh, they're so cute. They look like they'll sleep all day. Do you think they're cute?
Very. They're fluffy. I don't even need to feel them.
Wilbur! Oh! He's so cute. He's so cute. He's like that.
What is that? Looks like a duck plus a mouse plus a koala plus a capybara. Is that a beaver?
It's a prairie dog in a family group known as a coterie.
I love prairie dogs. There's 100 of them playing with their mom.
Curious pups are popping up all over.
Hello? Hello? I like the noise they make. They're like... You know, they look like they're playing hide and seek. I'm adopting all of these little guys.
What is that?
I don't know.
Tiniest thing I've ever seen.
An owl that digs a hole?
Burrowing owls, eager to see the world.
Oh, he fell. He fell in the hole. Oh, hello, cute little baby owl. They're fuzzy. I would name him Pom Pom. They're so cute.
They're cute when I don't look at their face.
What's wrong with their face?
Their eyes are so... It's really scary if they stare at you.
The larger the group, the more eyes to keep a lookout for danger.
Wait a second. I actually want to take one home. And remember, you're an owl. If I were a baby animal, I would probably be like an Arctic fox because I'm a cute little diva.